Besties, look what we got, girl. So, girl, if you did not know, California Farm got this new cookies and cream, like creamer, girl, and I've been waiting to try this so long. So, girl, we got our cup, we got my ice, we got my, of course, my favorite cold brew in the world. Brew is my favorite cold brew ever. I'm Trader Joe's coconut and vanilla almond creamer. So, basically, let's get into it. So, first, we're gonna add my ice. We got my little, like, look at my new, like, coffee stirrer. This came from Temu. Because I need this coffee bad, basically, because we got like a lot of videos to film today. It's not even crazy. So right now let's add the rest of my ice. Oh, not the ice falling. Okay, then we're gonna add some of my enrichment cola. I'm not gonna add all of it because like this cup is like small. I'm like a small ice. I'm gonna add like a little bit of the cola, or maybe all of it. Okay. Now, there we're going to add my Trader Joe's almond. This is one of my favorite creamers from like Trader Joe's because it's not like too sweet, but it's not like a little bit of that, like a splash more. Let's get that all stirred up together. So hard. Now take the creamer. Ooh. Okay, we got that in there. Add my straw. Whoa. That is good. It don't taste like too much of like a cookies and cream. Like it, let me add like a little bit more. Basically, that tastes like, this tastes like a cookies and cream coffee. Basically, this is good, bestie. 10 out of 10. It's not like too sweet, but it's just like the perfect amount of sweetness ever, basically. This came from Kroger for like $6, basically, so it's not bad, girl. But this creamer is freaking amazing, bestie. Below, girl, if you are going to try the new California Farms creamer, bestie. Until next time.